Hi, this is Ariella Vaccarino with Voice Lessons to Go, and this video will be the first part in a series that I'm going to do on solfege exercises for the voice. So it will be voice training and ear training together. Solfege are the sounds do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. We know them from the song from Sound of Music. Do, a deer, a female deer, re, a drop of golden sun. So she's singing solfege. This particular video will be part 1, and we're going to focus on an ascending major scale. So we're going up on a major scale. So we'll be taking a few exercises off the Do, Re, Mi ear and pitch training CD, and they'll be simple, and we'll break up the solfege, and in the end we'll do one that is a little bit more complicated for you to work on. And don't forget, after you master part 1, ascending, go to part 2, which will be descending major scales. And so I'm going to start on page 67 of Vocalize, and we're going to start with 3 solfege sounds: do, re, mi. Do, re, mi. Try that. Do, re, mi. Now when I move to a new chord, that bottom note now becomes do because we have a movable do. Do, re, mi. Now we're going to sing it lower. Sing it here. Do, re, mi. Try it here. Do, re, mi. Those 3 notes are very easy, so let's add 2 more. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Try that. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Try it here. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Do, re, mi, fa, so. I'm just keeping it low so we learn it. Do, re, mi, fa, so. So the full ascending scale is track 12 on volume 2 or page 70 in the book. Do, re, mi, fa, so, and then you add la, ti, do. La, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Let's try that. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Try it here. Do, re, mi. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi. Fa, so, la, ti, do. Try it here. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Let's go back up. Let's go a little faster. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. 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 Great, so keep practicing that. Now we're going to take that exercise and we are going to add something to make sure that we have it. We're going to keep coming back to do. So we're going to hit do each time. Do, re, come back to do. Do, mi, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do, do. So I sang do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, but I kept going back to do. Do, re, do, mi, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do, do. Try it again. Do, re, do, mi, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do, do. Good. Let's try it lower. Do, re, do, mi, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do, do. Again. Do, re, do, mi, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do, do. One more. Do, re, do, mi, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do, do. Very good. Something you can practice is to try and do that a cappella. So a cappella means without any music. So you start with a do and you go do, re, do, mi, do, fa, do, so, let's see if you can sing back the right note. So I'll check the first one with you. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. So do that and really listen to the intervals. The intervals are the space between the notes. So from do to re is smaller than do to mi, or do to la is much bigger of an interval. It's the space between notes. So that's it for part 1, ascending major scale on solfege. Check out part 2, which is next, descending major scale. I'm Ariella Vaccarino with Voice Lessons to Go. I hope this helps you become not only a better singer, but a better musician by training your ear. So check out all my products and services at voicelessonstogo.com. I have a Patreon channel if you want to support my videos, and please subscribe. Sing well, everybody.